Okay, city council meeting. It's about what 5:40. People are already starting to come in the city council chambers, and I don't know if I'm going to have a very good video of this or not, but I'll definitely make some kind of recording about it. Hey, how's it going? Well, these are the documents that I will be presenting tonight at the city council meeting to the city council and mayor. These documents have also been presented approximately 2 months ago. This one is the flaming arrow letter from the geoengineering watch.org website. It starts out, what if there was a monumental environmental threat you didn't even know was happening? This is the flaming arrow letter from the geoengineering website. They have had this one for quite a while. As a matter of fact, I personally set it on most of their desks, maybe even twice. This is a copy of the front of the why in the world are they spraying DVD. It explains a little bit about what's going on, and then I pasted some other stuff from the geoengineering watch.org website. This is a request for the representatives, my personal request to the representatives to back the resolution to require public consent before the spraying. The geoengineering spraying is done. So this is a formal document drafted by Dr. Rosalind Peterson from the California Skywatch Agriculture Coalition company. This is just a general warning letter about the threats and how modern jet engines do not emit contrails. And so, yeah, these are the documents I will be delivering. And so, for the record, they have this, and we'll see what they're gonna do. Okay, and another thing I'm going to present, I've actually presented this information via email to both city council members and very likely the board of supervisors. This is a letter requesting an emergency mandate to remove the fluoride from the water. Basically, it's proof that there's brain damage associated with the consumption of fluoride, and that fluoride leaches lead from pipes. And it asks for primary scientific studies that proves that fluoride is not damaging. And so basically, because there are no studies, the people who represent us should follow their sort of oath of office to protect the public. And so basically, this is the reason why they should emergency mandate pull the fluoride out of the water. And actually, our community is under a certain population, and so this could theoretically be done by the city council members without public vote. And unfortunately, the public has been brainwashed to think that fluoride makes the teeth stronger. This is a long drawn out brainwashing program that basically was started by the nuclear industry to find a place where they can dump their fluoride. In short, do your research, you'll find out. Hitler also used fluoride in the prison camps to make the prisoners more docile. And so basically, it can have an adverse effect on our brains. And so Yeah, that's what it's about. Messages before via email and as well letters. First one is about the fluoride. The second one is about the geoengineering, about the weather modification sprays they're spraying in our air. And so the first one, let's talk about the fluoride. So the fluoride, basically, there are over 300 peer-reviewed studies showing that fluoride in the water is a neurotoxin. It also leaches lead from the pipes, which is going to cause a problem sooner or later regarding your pipes. So I would like you to investigate this according to the Toxic Substances Control Act 15 U.S.C. 2620. So I'm presenting that for your information so you know they have done these studies and you have the information regarding that. You probably, have any of you recall getting my email about this? Anyone? No. No one has any idea about this. This is the poker face game. So you don't normally respond to the public if they ask you questions. Is that what happens?
If you'd like to give it to the
okay. Okay, so that's
for counsel.
Okay, so you don't. Okay, so that's how that works. I understand. So the other one was basically about the geoengineering. I don't know if you know it. They're spraying reflective particles consisting of aluminum, barium, strontium, sulfur, etc., to combat global warming. Okay, unfortunately, we don't have any local control of it, and that's what I want. I want a proclamation so that we have local control over what they spray in our air to control global warming, and that's why I'm here. And so I have a YouTube channel. It's called BTR ENTRPS. If you want to go to YouTube, you'll see that I've documented the spraying for the last 3 years. Although Harvard has just come out and has admitted they were going to start spraying, they've been doing, I've documented it for the last 3 years. I've also talked to the Congressman's office and the Board of Supervisors about this too. They have this same information. So please be aware.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is for your record here, whoever wants to take it.
Pam will take it.
Thank you. Thank you.